Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how we can get a double confirmation and do the high probability trade. Okay, so and for the back testing purpose I have used a daily chart, so I prefer you also do the same thing. But however, I randomly when I tested for a short time frame it worked. Okay, so the chart is a daily chart, and we'll give a little note on the strategy first. Okay, so here I am combining indicator and price action. Okay, from the indicator perspective, I have chosen stochastic and ADX. I've tested other indicators as well, but that didn't give good positive results for a long span of time. Okay, and the price action, it can be anything. It can be support resistance breakout or a triangular breakout or channel breakout or box breakout, anything. Okay, so from a price action perspective, even the what is that candle candlesticks breakout also can be used. But from the indicator perspective, I can say only stochastic and ADX has been back tested, and that gave the a good back tested result as well. Okay, so the strategy is simple. Whenever any of these gives the buys, sorry, whenever any of these things gives the buy signal, just check what these signals gives, whether it is a buy or sell. Okay, accordingly take a call. If it is a sell signal in price action, and check these indicators signal. If it is also sell, then it is double confirmation. This is the first confirmation and this is the second confirmation. Okay, so you can use that and then take a call, strong call, because these this double confirmation will give you high probability in your trade. And if you are even want to have a more conservative approach, then you can use volume as a third confirmation. And if the volume is greater than last 3 to 4 days, it gives the triple confirmation. So which means it is a very strong buy or very strong sell, and it gives you a decent return. I can say a double digit return within a span of a week or two. Okay, we'll see this strategy with example. See here, as you can see, the stock took resistance near the I can say the support resistance line I have drawn here. Okay, and then it went back. Once it break the resistance line, see the trend of the stochastic. Okay, it is still in the overbought position. Okay, so which I can say it is in kind of zigzag. So a new trader can avoid this. Okay, but still what I'm trying to say here is, whenever it breaks the resistance, the stochastic says it is still in the overbought position and still continues that trend. Okay, it didn't went below 80. Okay, and as you can see here, once it reaches the resistance on the top side, it just took a U-turn. Okay, when it took a U-turn, see the signal from the stochastic, it is a sell. Okay, so here it is a sell signal and here it is a sell signal, so which is a double confirmation. Just check for the volume for the third confirmation and then go on with your trade. Okay, you see it went down, you can say how many points is from we say like 300 to on a safer side to like 500. Okay, 500 for close to 6 to 7% in a span of 1 month. Okay, so again once it took a support, see that signal here, it is a buy, so we'll be doing a buy trade here. Okay, and this also gives the same 500 points in a span of 1 month. Okay, and once it reaches the resistance, it again took a U-turn. See here, it is again sell call. Okay, see the trend. So we are trading in addition to price action using the indicators as well to get the double confirmation, volume as a triple confirmation. So here I have taken a stochastic. You can use ADX axle. Okay, so here I have taken stochastic just for example purpose. Okay, I have taken ADX in next example. So here I have taken a channel breakout. Okay, as you can see here that there was a channel breakout and the signal from ADX is buy. So buy with double confirmation. Use volume for triple confirmation. But what I can say is like give high importance to the price action and the indicator. Volume is just for our confirmation only. Even if volume doesn't give a like the current volume is not greater than last 3 to 4 days, it's okay. But if it gives if the current day volume or the breakout day volume is more than last 3 to 4 days, then it is like a short signal. Okay, but what I'm trying to say is give high preference to price action pattern and then the indicator. Okay, so it is a current trend. Even now it is a Wipro stock. How much it gave the return is close to 10% in a span of a week, or I can say 2 weeks. Okay, 10% return. So here I think this is ITC. Okay, see there is a channel breakout. Here it is a sell signal. So as per the channel breakout it is a sell, as per the indicator it is a sell. So it is a double confirmation. Use volume for third confirmation, then take a call. So here I think it gives it close to 25% in a span of 2 to 3 weeks time. Okay, maybe if you're a beginner, try to stick with only the buy call and don't touch the derivatives till you get expertise in. Okay, so to summarize, use these two indicators, stochastics or ADX, for any price action pattern, and there is no restriction on which price action to be used. You can take any price action breakout, and in addition to that use any one of these stochastics. If you want to be still more conservative, in addition to ADX, use stochastic as well. Just see what is the signal from stochastic, what is the signal from ADX, what is the signal from price action, what is the signal from volume. So it is like 4 confirmation, then take a trade. So which means you have even more high probability of doing a trade. Okay, that's how initially you can start. I mean, you can actually start making the money in the market by having multiple number of confirmations, which gives you confidence initially, and then once you start make money, it gives you even more confident on the strategy and help you in the long run. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel.